Hey everybody, welcome back to the new video. I've been holding this one off for just a little bit, but trust me, it's worth it. Today I will be unpackaging the first add-ons to Little Red since the day I finished the build. These include an RGB ATX power supply adapter from Easy DIY Fab, two 180-degree PCIe 8-pin adapters, one of which I'll be using, two right-angle USB 3.0 headers, once again only one I'll be using, two 3-pin RGB to IQ adapters, and lastly, cable comb. The first thing I need to do is remove the tempered glass side panel and plug in the ATX power supply adapter. Then for one of the more tedious parts, adding the 24-pin cable combs. With a little bit of wiggle room, the cable can be plugged in and the right angle USB 3.0 header can be plugged in as well. Now for the easy part, plugging in the 180-degree PCIe adapter. With a little bit of editing magic, the fully combed 8-pin connector can get plugged right back in. One other housekeeping item I want to take care of while I'm in here is putting Velcro ties around the AIO tube. Just like that, the tempered glass panel goes back on, and the first boot is a success. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching this video. Plenty of treats are on the way.